Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna bring you another old classic cocktail. It's been around. I don't know how long it's been around. It's been around for a while. And I tell you what, it's another one of those. I don't do this Godfather cocktail very often, but I do it once in a while. It's a very easy drink. It's a very strong drink, and it has withstood the test of time. Let me show you how I make this. Alright, we'll start off just an ice-filled rocks glass. This is about an 8-ounce rock glass, about all you're going to need on this drink. This is a 12-year-old Scotch. It's an Amaretto, very high end here. We're going to go 2 ounces. I'm going to come in with 1 ounce of Amaretto of your choice. I'm using Serrano because I think it's the best. And we're simply just going to give this a stir. No garnish, no nothing. Just a stir to cool it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Godfather Cocktail. Cheers to you. You know, this is one of those drinks that just works. It's plain and simple, very easy to make. Just Scotch. You can use bourbon if you want. That Amaretto, especially the Serrano. This is one of those drinks you kind of want to think quality alcohol. You can certainly do it with cheaper whiskey and Scotch or whatever, but you will truly appreciate it if you step it up a notch with the Godfather. Trust me on this. One more. Oh yeah, that Amaretto stands out, the Serrano. Oh my God. Guys, thank you as always. Thanks so much. Hit that like button if you don't mind. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And that bell notification will let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.